Hello viewers, I would like to use this time to explain to you the various solar installation equipment that we have. I want you to know that the solar energy is one of the most abundant source of energy that we have. Now you must know that we have other forms of energy, hydro power generation, we have the fuel, and the rest of them. But I want you to know that the solar is actually the most effective and the most reliable source of energy. One of the advantages of solar system is that it's always available for you to use at any time. With solar system, you are not actually stranded. You are not there looking for electricity when you need it. It's always available. It's all about you having your equipment and what putting them together so that you can have this source of energy available for you to use at any time. Now I want you to understand that it's something that you need, and therefore for more inquiry you can actually comment on my videos. You can actually chat me up through my email, and I want you to understand that you actually enjoy it. All right, without taking much of your time, can we talk about the solar installation equipment? Number one, we'll be talking about the solar panel. The solar panel. I know lots of people are ignorant about this, but you need to know that the solar panel is actually just a device. And what is the function of the solar panel? The function of this solar panel is just to what? To harvest, to harness this energy from the sunlight. The solar panel is responsible for harvesting the energy and converting it into what? Useful electrical what? Energy. And what type of energy can we generate from the solar panel? It is the DC what? Energy. That is the direct current what? Electrical energy. Now, one thing with the solar panel is that it actually helps is the source of this energy we're talking about. Because without the solar panel, you cannot be able to harvest this energy from the sun. And therefore, the solar panel is actually one of the most important what equipment so long as solar energy is what is concerned. Now we have the solar panel in different rating. You can see solar panel for 300 watts, 100 watts. In fact, you can even have a solar panel as low as 50 watts, as the case may be. We have them in different sizes, and we have them in different level of voltage. They supply different what level of what of current. And I would like you to know that we have three types of solar panel. We have number one, we have the mono monocrystalline solar panel. We have the polycrystalline solar panel, and we have the number three, thin film solar panel. These are the three types of solar panel that we have. For more inquiry, you can actually go more online. You can go online and search more on the types of solar panel that we have. Now, secondly, we will be talking about the charge controller, the solar charge controller. Now, the solar charge controller is responsible for controlling and regulating what? The charge of the battery. Now, without the solar charge controller, your battery will what? Will be overcharged. You need the solar charge controller to control the level of voltage and current going into what? Into the battery. Now, I want you to know that the solar charge controller is actually useful in solar panel. Now, we have two types of solar charge controller. We have number one, we have the PWM solar charger, solar charge controller, and we have number two, the MPPT. We have the MPPT solar charge controller. Now, as the case may be, They are all good controllers, but the more efficient controller is the MPPT charge controller. Of course, you should know that it will be more expensive. Now, secondly, we now move to battery. Thirdly, sorry, the battery. Now, what is the function of the battery? The battery actually performs the function of what? Of storing this direct current that is being generated by what? By the solar what? Panel. That's the main function of the battery. It's a storage bank. It's a storage bank. Without the battery, you won't be able to have backup to have electrical energy anytime you need it. So there is a need for you to have what? The battery, because without the battery, you cannot be able to store your what? Your energy. And again, we have this battery of different sizes ranging from what? 220 amp, 100 amp. We have them in even 7 amp, as low as 7 amp. We have different sizes of battery. You can go to the market, you see any size of battery you want. Now, lastly, before I end this video, we have the inverter. We have the inverter. We have the inverter. Now, what's the function of the inverter? I call it the converter. I call the inverter a converter because it's responsible for converting the direct current to what we call alternating current, that is AC. It converts this direct current stored by the battery to what? To alternating current. Now, the alternating current is useful for all our house appliances. You can connect the output to your changeover and whatsoever. You also have the inverter in different sizes. Now, for more information, you can actually click my next video, or you go online to find more information about about the solar installation equipment. Thank you. Please do your best by subscribing, liking my YouTube page. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.